right, so what is the value of this? Okay, remember everything is inclusive, so this 1 to the power 8 will be positive. Okay, all right, so you can also multiply this one by that using this property, a to the power n or to the power p. That will be a to the power np. So 8 times 57 will be 456. So that will be negative 1 raised to 456. Okay, and since this one is even, so negative 1 to the power odd, okay, will be negative. So negative 1 to the power even will be positive. So this one will be 1. All right, thanks for watching.